Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I want to show you an amazing AI tool which you can use for video generation. As you can see over here, the name of this AI tool is MagicLight AI, and you can create amazing videos on this website. So I'll just show you normal video generation and how you can do it on this website. So let's check out its free trial, what it gives us for free. So for free, it gives us one character creation, two image regeneration, one dynamic conversion, and unlocks ChatGPT 4, which sounds pretty good. If you want to, you can just upgrade to a premium plan if you like using this website. So let's get started and log in with our Google sign in. Okay, once we are signed in, let's get to start. We get free 300 credits, and let's check out its main features. So this is the main website. You can create story to video, kid story video, interview video, short drama video. So it's on us what we want to create.
Let's see who the real star is.
I'll tear you apart. Too slow.
I'll turn your defense into chocolate. Fast Holland, try facing ninja speed. Your turn is over.
Come on!
So these are some kind of videos created on this website, which looks very good. Okay, so on the left side, it's home, my creations, asset store. There are a lot of things on this website, as you can see over here. Um, let's go into story to video and let's give it a prompt. So here is my prompt. A lone samurai stands in a bamboo forest during heavy rain at sunset. As lightning flashes, another samurai emerges from the mist. They draw their swords and engage in an intense cinematic duel. Ultra realistic, dramatic lighting, slow motion, detailed facial expressions, dynamic camera movements, and 4K. So let's keep all the settings as default. Let's keep it as a full video, which is 16:9, and let's keep the duration as auto, and let's click on next. Now it's gonna let us be in a queue. It's using the Gemini Flash 3.1 model to create our video. So it has created the scenes. So this video is approximately going to be for 1 minute, which sounds really good. These are the subtitles. So it created scenes like a video, like a story video. Let's click on next and let's see how it does. So it's literally creating a story video, which sounds really amazing. So it created the two characters, the second samurai and Kaito. Kaito being our main protagonist in this video. So on the left side are our frames. So it's creating the video frame by frame, and there are 12 frames. Okay, so finally guys, our video is done here. You can see the first image, second image, third image, fourth image. It's gonna take a lot of credits if I try to animate them all. So just go with animate one. and use MagicLight 1.1 1.0 model. Confirm shoot. So it's gonna animate the last frame. This AI tool works a bit different. It creates the images first, and then it tells us if we want to animate the image or not. Right now I cannot animate because it takes a lot of credits, and I can't use those credits right now because I only have 240 credits remaining. So I can't animate all of these photos because every animation takes around 600 credits. So it's not possible right now. See, if I try to animate all of them, it takes 6,600 credits, so which is too much. So our video has been animated, as you can see over here. That's it from the animation side. It's animation of the battle ended, so that's why they're just still moving a bit. That's it. So that's everything from my side. Subtitle, no subtitles, generate. Okay. So it has been created. Let's click on preview and
Kaito's
let's
worn leather
see
boots
it.
sink deep into the cold, clinging mud at the misty edge of an ancient bamboo forest. Heavy sunset rain soaks straight through his cotton robes, chilling his bones, while his hand stays clamped tight around the hilt of his katana. He has waited 3 full days here for his opponent. A jagged bolt of lightning tears across the dark pink sunset sky. Low thunder rumbles through the dense bamboo stalks, shaking wet leaves loose into the rain. A second samurai steps slowly out of the drifting gray mist. Cold rain dripping steadily off the curved brim of his woven straw hat. In the same heartbeat, both samurai draw their swords. Steel hisses sharply as it clears worn leather scabbards, rain bouncing off the polished silver edges of both blades. They lunge forward at once, and their blades clash with a sharp, echoing crack that cuts clean through the sound of pouring rain. Each hard parry sends faint, bright sparks flying out into the drifting mist. Slow, deliberate steps carry them across the slippery, muddy ground, their eyes locked unblinking, jaw muscles clenched tight with focus. Another bright lightning flashes across the sky, illuminating the cold, unforgiving intensity of their set faces. The duel hangs in slow tension, every movement sharp against dark green bamboo.
So here is our video completely created by MagicLight. So this is how you can use MagicLight to create videos which are a bit in story mode. As you can see, there was a bit of a person saying out loud what was happening. So this type of videos are story mode videos, and you can create those here in MagicLight.ai. So this was an amazing video created. You can also click on download and you can download this video and use it. You can also connect your YouTube account and this video will directly be published on YouTube. So this is how you can use MagicLight, and it's really an amazing AI tool to use. You can create story to video, kid story videos, interview videos, and short drama video, as I said before. These are all the videos created on this website.
Once upon a time, in a small coastal...
You can check out all of these videos in your free time.
The peregrine.
And that's everything from my side, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you.